How you doing? Today we're going to be doing a test on this federal dove and small game 7.5 shot. Picked up at a local Walmart for I think $4.50 a box. Here's the shell here. And what I'm going to do is wanted to see what kind of penetration it might get at close range through a jacket and some shirts and stuff like that. So I built this little pine board man here. I'm gonna put some clothes on that guy and then test it at like 5 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet, that kind of thing, just to see what happens. Just out of curiosity. I don't recommend using 7.5 shot for home defense, but I figured why not just try it for fun. So here we go. We've got a long sleeve shirt covered by fairly thick flannel button-up. Covered by a winter jacket. This is pretty darn thick right here. So we're gonna see if Mr. Home Invader survives a couple shots with this 12 gauge. Alright, I am standing 14 feet from Mr. Home Invader. Going old school today, boys. We got a Bay State, Harrington, and Richardson Arms Co. Bay State 12 gauge. She's pretty old. Alright. Let's go take a look at what happened. Was Mr. Home Invader incapacitated from 14 feet? Did not penetrate through the entire pine board man. Blew through the jacket. Oh, yeah. You see that down in there? Let's see. At 14 feet. Blew a hole through the winter coat, through the flannel shirt, through the undershirt, and through the pine board. We have a hole. Two and a half inches tall by about 1.25 inches wide. So yeah, he'd be dead. Blew right through it. It did not blow through the second pine board in the back. I'd say that was a success. Let's try it at, let's do 25 feet. See what happens from 25 feet. I am now standing 25 feet from Mr. Home Invader. Boy, I'd say that put a world of hurt on him. Oh, it has brought the pattern out quite a bit from before. So, we got penetration through the winter coat. We have some penetration. Oh yeah, we got penetration. Through the flannel shirt, through the t-shirt. And actually it split the pine board in half, but let's see. Oh, let's bring this out. It actually split the pine board in two. But here's the fabric from the shirts. Here's the back side. There's the back side of the piece of pine board. So I guess the moral of the story for me is you could use this for home defense if you had to.